Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing corned mutton with potatoes, fried corned mutton with potatoes, and that's a real traditional Guyanese dish. So this is a delicious dish, quick to prepare, but this time a long time because the corned mutton there like hell now. It's not the same as before. So we're going to be preparing this yummy corned mutton with potatoes, fried corned mutton with potatoes for you guys. So for this simple, delicious, traditional recipe, guys, we're going to be using 1 can of the Salisbury corned mutton, which we find is the better brand. And we're going to be using 1 potatoes. We're only going to be using half of the onion, you see there. Pepper to taste. In this case, we are using 1 very pepper and 1 stem of scallion. And that's all you need for this recipe, guys. So let's get started. So the pepper in our recipes is always optional, guys. You don't have to use a pepper to make the dish taste yummy. Some people feel that way, but you don't have to. Okay, so we have our potatoes chopped up, our onions, scallions, pepper. So we're gonna add some oil to heat now. Alright, so our oil is hot. We're gonna add our onions. So we're gonna fry this up for about a minute or so first, and then we're gonna add our other stuff. So now we're gonna add our scallions here. And our pepper, which is optional. So now we're going to add our potatoes. Salt to taste. So we added some black pepper there now. Alright, so once we've added everything there, my friends, we're going to add some water to help boil our potatoes. And then we're going to cover this and let it cook. There you go. See you in a bit. Alright, so our potatoes is almost boiled, so we're going to open our corned mutton. There you go. So there we go, they're boiled. So it's time to add our corned mutton now. So what you want to do now is break up your corned mutton to let it distribute. Mix in with the potatoes. So once you've added your corned mutton here, my friends, it's gonna release some juices and stuff. So you're gonna wait for that to evaporate, and then this will be ready. So towards the end, you can chop some scallions on top. So this tastes so good with roti, even rice also, and it's quick. So the water has evaporated there, the juices. And as you can see, this is looking yummier and yummier. And that's it there, guys. That's evaporated enough. So that's it there, our corned mutton with potatoes. Favorite Guyanese dish. Thanks once again for being in our kitchen, my friends. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.